Today, we're talking about Christmas, but maybe not the Christmas you're used to. We're heading to a place you might not expect, the tropical and predominantly Hindu island of Bali. And what's happening there is this fascinating story of faith, harmony, and culture all coming together in a really beautiful way. So think about your classic Christmas scene. You've probably got snow falling, right? A crackling fireplace, maybe a cozy sweater. Okay, now I want you to just forget all of that. What if your Christmas looked completely, and I mean completely different? Imagine swapping out the snow and fireplaces for warm sun and gentle ocean breezes. Instead of looking for the perfect pine tree, you're stringing lights on a palm tree. Yeah, this isn't just a change of scenery, folks. It's a total reimagining of what the holiday season can feel like. So let's dive into this. What makes a Christmas without snow so special? Because it's about way more than just the weather. It's a whole different vibe. During December, the entire island just transforms. You get this incredible blend of classic Christmas lights strung up against these lush tropical backdrops. You can hear sacred hymns mixing with the sound of the ocean. It's this perfect, peaceful balance between spiritual reflection and pure holiday joy. So, how do these celebrations actually play out? Let's get into the specific traditions and events that really define what a Balinese Christmas is all about. At its heart, the celebration is actually quite traditional. It's all centered around church services. You've got your Christmas Eve and Christmas Day masses, these beautiful candlelight services and choir performances. But what's really welcoming is that a lot of these services are held in English or are bilingual, so they're really inclusive for international visitors. But it's not just happening in the churches. The island's amazing hospitality industry goes all in. Hotels, resorts, restaurants, especially in those popular coastal spots like Nusa Dua and Seminyak, they host these incredible Christmas dinners and festive brunches. You can literally celebrate the season right there on the beach. And if you're looking to actually attend a service, there are some stunning churches to visit. The Holy Spirit Cathedral in Denpasar is the largest on the island. Down in the resort area of Nusa Dua, Maria Bunda Segala Bangsa is a really popular choice for travelers. But for a truly unique experience, you've got to see the Palasari Church in Jembrana. It's famous for its incredible Balinese-inspired architecture, blending Christian faith with local design. It's just spectacular. But here is where the story gets really special. It's not just that Christmas is celebrated. It's how the entire community embraces it. This is what they call the spirit of harmony. You know, what makes a Balinese Christmas so unique is this island-wide spirit of tolerance and togetherness. The local communities, regardless of their own faith, actually jump in to support the celebrations. They help out with security, with preparations, with all the logistics. And this incredible cooperation, it's not just some happy accident. It's deeply, deeply rooted in the island's core cultural philosophy, a philosophy of Trihita Karana. This is the Balinese philosophy of keeping a perfect balance between humanity, nature, and spirituality. And this isn't just some abstract idea. It's a way of life that encourages deep mutual respect. It's the very reason why such a beautiful, multicultural celebration can flourish there. So let's put all of this together. Let's talk about why this makes Bali such a compelling and frankly amazing destination for a holiday trip. So really, why is Bali the perfect Christmas getaway? Well, the reasons are pretty convincing. Okay, first, the obvious one. A warm, tropical climate. But beyond that, you get a uniquely peaceful and spiritual atmosphere that's hard to find anywhere else. It's home to world-class resorts and wellness retreats, and you get to be part of a celebration that is truly multicultural. It's honestly an ideal destination whether you're traveling with your family, as a couple, or even flying solo. To wrap things up, let's end on a final thought that I think really gets to the heart of what a Balinese Christmas is all about. This is the local greeting you'll hear, Salamat Natal 2025 dan Taon Baru Puno Harapan. It translates to Merry Christmas 2025 and a new year full of hope. It's just a simple, warm wish that perfectly captures the island's spirit. And that really leaves us with this question. What if the true spirit of Christmas, that feeling of peace, harmony, and togetherness, isn't only found in the snow and the cold, but can actually be discovered in the warmth of a tropical island, in a place you might least expect it? Something to think about.